guys, Jennifer here with Oak and Iron Designs. Welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to be talking about those stinky and musty old smells. So have you ever gotten a piece of furniture? Have you inherited a piece of furniture that kind of has that old smell, or did you pick something up from Facebook Marketplace or something from the attic or a yard sale like I got this beautiful vanity from? Well, it may have a kind of off scent to it. It could have that old musty smell. It could be from a house that smokes and it could have absorbed all that smoke smell. So there's a couple of things that you guys can do. Not all is lost. First and foremost, when you bring your beautiful furniture home, give it a good clean. I use a couple of different things. Actually, what I have on hand, most of the time what I have on hand is this Dixie Belle White Lightning Cleaner. It's really good to help get all that musty smells out. If you're going to use this, you got to use gloves though too. Another thing that I use is Simple Green. This happens to be lemon scent. I get whatever, whatever on hand, but you give it a good clean and then let it just sit out in the sun. Let it sunbathe. That sun is going to help kind of get all that musty odor out of your furniture. Now, after it's sunbathed, if there is still smells, there's a couple of things that you can do. It's actually, are you going to paint it or not? If you are going to paint it, there's a couple of routes that you can take. One of the routes is Dixie Belle's Boss. Dixie Belle's Boss is really good at the odors. In fact, it says blocks odors, stains, and stops bleed through. This is a really good product. This also comes in clear as well. And then another paint primer that you can use is Ben's. Sorry, it's been well used. But you can use Ben's primer. It has shellac in it. Now, shellac is going to help kind of coat your furniture piece so you don't have any of that smells or bleed throughs. Very similar to this. And if you are like me and you don't want to paint it, or you still don't know what you want to do with it, as in the case of this beautiful piece of furniture, I've had this for about a year and a half. I got it at a yard sale and I still don't know what I want to do with it. It's pretty. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. What I did was I brought it home and I washed it, let it sunbathe, and then I hit the back, the insides of the drawers, and then when I pulled the drawers out, I hit it again with this inside the drawers. Now this is shellac. This is clear shellac. And this is not going to change the wood any more than it already is until I can figure out what I want to do with it. But this will block those odors from coming through. And then, guys, you can also put baking soda into the drawers when you store it. It's a good absorbent. It's not going to get all the smells out, but it does a really good job. So I've also hit these drawers with some baking soda as well. So these are all the things that you can do to stop those pesky little smelly odors that you sometimes get with the older furniture. Again, if you want to paint it, you have some options. And then if you don't want to paint it, you have some options too. Comment down below what you do to stop those musty odors. I know that there's some salves on the market. I haven't tried any of those yet, but I know that there are some. I'm wanting to try some of those. But comment down below. Let us know. Let our amazing YouTube family know what products you use to, get the smells out. And guys, I hope you have an amazing day. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.